Have you ever stepped out of the shower, looked down at your hands, and felt a sudden knot in your stomach? It is a terrifying feeling, mostly because you feel completely powerless, watching your hair thin out day by day without knowing exactly why it is happening. The hard truth is that if you ignore this shedding and just hope it magically stops, you might be looking at irreversible bald spots in just a few short years. In fact, the average guy loses about 50 to 100 hairs every single day naturally, which is just part of the normal human hair growth cycle. The problem starts when you are losing way more than that, and it is usually because of everyday habits you do not even realize are destroying your follicles. So today, we are going to break down 5 extremely common daily routines that are secretly thinning your hair and exactly how you can reverse the damage starting tonight. And stick around, because at the very end of this video, I'm going to reveal a highly effective, science-backed home remedy that can actually wake up dormant follicles and help regrow lost hair. Let us dive straight into number 1, your nighttime habits. Most guys think hair loss only happens in the shower or when they are styling it, but your bed can actually be a war zone for your hair. There are 2 massive mistakes guys make before their head hits the pillow, and the first one is going to sleep with damp or completely wet hair. You need to understand that hair is at its absolute weakest when it is filled with water. So, if you are a guy who loves his night showers, you have to ensure your hair is at least 80 to 90% dry before getting into bed. You can just use your hairdryer on the coolest setting for a couple of minutes to safely blow away that excess moisture without burning the hair. The second nighttime mistake is the pillowcase itself, because standard cotton pillowcases are absolute follicle destroyers. Cotton is a highly absorbent material, sucking the natural healthy oils right off your scalp while you dream. You wake up with hair that is dry, brittle, frizzy, and completely vulnerable to breakage the moment you try to comb it. Do yourself a massive favor and upgrade to a silk or satin pillowcase immediately. Moving on to habit number 2, using the wrong hair oils. Hair oiling has been a staple in men's grooming for centuries, but so many guys just slather on random oils without understanding what they actually do. Not all oils are created equal. Some are purely for styling and shine, some are heavy moisturizers to fight dandruff, and some are active growth stimulators. If you are specifically dealing with thinning or falling hair, the absolute king of the jungle right now is rosemary oil. There is a famous clinical study that showed rosemary oil was just as effective like minoxidil without the nasty side effects. Furthermore, if you use too much oil, you are forced to aggressively scrub your scalp with harsh shampoos just to wash it out, stripping the hair completely bare. You only need about 4 to 5 drops of a high-quality, diluted rosemary oil for your entire scalp. While you have the oil in, spend at least 5 minutes giving yourself a firm scalp massage using the pads of your fingers. Clinical studies prove that the mechanical stretch of a scalp massage increases blood circulation, which naturally thickens the individual hair shafts over time. Let us jump to habit number 3. I see this all the time. A guy finishes his shower, grabs a thick bath towel, and violently scrubs his head back and forth like he's trying to start a fire. We just talked about how fragile your hair is when it is wet. So applying intense mechanical friction at that exact moment is a guaranteed recipe for traction alopecia. Take a clean towel and simply pat and press it gently against your head to absorb the surface water. The second major drying mistake is abusing the hairdryer, especially relying on high heat every single morning. Extreme heat completely bakes your scalp, drying out the skin and creating a horrible environment for new hair to grow. If you must use a blow dryer to achieve your hairstyle, keep the nozzle at least 6 inches away from your head at all times. And always drop the temperature down to medium or cool. It might take an extra 60 seconds to dry, but it will save you years of hair loss. Now for habit number 4. There is a very high chance that the generic men's shampoo you buy for $2 is absolutely wrecking your scalp. Most commercial shampoos are packed with the harsh detergents called sulfates. While they do remove dirt, they aggressively strip away every single drop of natural sebum from your scalp, leading to chronic dryness, split ends, and rapid thinning. The immediate fix is to buy a high-quality, sulfate-free shampoo. This brings us to habit number 5, your internal environment. You can buy the most expensive shampoos and magical serums in the world, but if your internal nutrition is garbage, your hair will continue to fall out. Biologically speaking, hair is considered a non-essential tissue by your body. This means that if you are lacking vitamins or nutrients, your body will cut off the supply to your hair follicles first in order to protect your vital organs. Your hair is quite literally made of a complex protein called keratin. If your diet is constantly deficient in high-quality protein, your body physically cannot manufacture new hair. Start eating real, whole foods like eggs, lean chicken, wild-caught fish, lentils, and Greek yogurt. Eating just 3 whole eggs for breakfast gives you a massive dose of bioavailable protein, plus biotin, which is a crucial B vitamin for hair strength. Incorporate raw nuts and seeds into your daily snacking routine. Things like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Beyond just food, your hydration levels play a massive role. Chronic dehydration leads to a dry, tight, flaky scalp where hair struggles to survive. Drink at least 7 to 8 large glasses of water every single day. Finally, we have to talk about the silent killer of hairlines everywhere: chronic, unmanaged stress. When you are constantly stressed, your body pumps out cortisol, which forcefully pushes hair follicles out of the growing phase and straight into the shedding phase. You have to find ways to manage your mental state. Prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep. Alright, it is time to talk about the ultimate, scientifically backed, natural remedy that produces insane results, which is onion juice. Yes, you heard me correctly. Putting the juice of a raw onion on your head is one of the most powerful natural treatments for reversing hair loss. Onions are absolutely loaded with dietary sulfur. Sulfur is one of the main fundamental building blocks of keratin. It creates the strong disulfide bonds that hold your hair together. That's it for today. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys in the next video.